Before cleaning, unplug the charging cable from the motor base. Add water and a small amount of liquid soap into the glass cup. Attach the motor base securely and ensure it's properly aligned. Press the power button to activate the self-cleaning mode. Make sure the silicone cover is securely closed over the charging port to prevent water from entering. Rinse the motor blade, glass cup, and silicone sleeve under running water. Air dry all parts completely before the next use to maintain cleanliness and prevent moisture damage.